So welcome to this video all about what is the Fitness Collective. I've been getting loads of questions recently on Instagram, Facebook, email, all going, what is the Fitness Collective? I thought I'd do a little video showing you exactly what you get when you get into the Fitness Collective. So let's navigate towards Google Chrome and let's make this full screen. And this is where I host on my website, the Fitness Collective. Now, the Fitness Collective isn't an app. It's not just a Facebook group. It's an entire website of resources, basically, that you get to help you figure out how to fit fitness into your life. So if we navigate down to member login, and then it asks for my login details. Luckily, Chrome has remembered them. And then it will take you straight to a different part of my website that isn't accessible to the public. This is all behind a paywall, just for Fitness Collective members. And you end up in the Fitness Collective Central Hub, which is where it all happens. So when you first log in, and when you first join, I try and get everyone to start with the Confident and Strong program, which is this astounding 90-day challenge. It works for both in the gym and at home. And when I wrote it, it was like my entire brain dump of everything fitness that I know, especially in terms of strength training and obviously building confidence. So now it's loaded. I'll take you through it quickly. It's here to do two things. When you first start, I want you to feel more confident and make you feel more strong. The two most important things in the world of fitness with the gym starter. So it takes you through how to build your workouts and how these workouts are particularly set up. It takes you through everything, RPE and progressive overload, what all of that means. It takes you through how to keep improving, especially at home, if you're going to do the home option. And it just goes on. We talk about food, and then we talk about how to stay accountable in the Fitness Collective, which is that's in particular in the Facebook group, but we'll get to that later. And then how to track your progress. And then you get the workouts as well. And then after each set of workouts, you get your post-workout gratitude, week 1, day 1, week 2, day 1. And it's a PDF, so that what you can do is you can then print it off. Just click here, print it off, and take it to the gym with you. So you can fill it out as you go. You can keep track of everything, and you can see clearly how it all develops for you as you keep going. They're amazing workouts. They take about an hour to do, and they're really going to help you burn fat and build muscle. But that's just one aspect of what's in the Fitness Collective. What else do we have? We have your scale strategy, which is my manual all on how to improve your relationship with the scale. So a lot of my clients come to me looking for fat loss. And so they judge that on the scale. And it was really important for me to write something for them all about how to change their perspective on the scale. And this is everything I know about the scale and how they can start developing as best they can that relationship and therefore stay accountable and therefore keep themselves moving forward on that. Then you get a manual on great ways to stay into a calorie deficit, basically 27 ways to faster fat loss. I asked 22,000 personal trainers one simple question: why do people not lose body fat? And it's all the different reasons that stop people getting into a caloric deficit. Then here, it's here forever, the Calorie Calculator. So you can keep checking in with your calories. That's now downloaded in Excel just by clicking on that. And then I can open it up in Excel. Let me quickly show you how this works. Here it is, the Gym Starter Calorie Calculator. So this is a calculator for you to figure out your calories. It's set exactly how I use it with all of my clients in the Fitness Collective. So, I've already filled this in. So I'm 33, I'm a male, I don't weigh that, I weigh 79 kilos. And let's say I wanted to lose 3 kilograms. I then type in 76, and I wouldn't say I'm very active, I'd say I'm probably moderately active. And then you get all of your important figures here, your basal metabolic rate, how many calories you need to maintain weight, and then calories for half a kilo loss a week and 1 kilo loss a week. And then I've added in my best advice, which is this section here. And your best advice is what I suggest my clients work to in order to achieve a calorie deficit. So I give them a window, a target of opportunity, so that on days they need higher calories, they can have higher calories. On days when they're being very on it with their calorie deficit, they can stick to lower, and all the time, as long as they're within that window, they know that they're living in a calorie deficit. And then if we go back to Fitness Collective Central Hub, you've then got some mindset stuff with your big picture, which is a form you fill out. And then this is where it really starts to come alive. So I have recipes. I have 3 recipe books in the Fitness Collective at the moment, which means there's over 130 recipes across Om Nom Nom, the low carb manual, and the high protein manual. Let's just open up the high protein manual for now, and you can see what this looks like. These are there for everyone. I am releasing a plant-based recipe manual as well. It's currently being worked upon. And what I absolutely love about these manuals and these recipe books is this bit. You get great recipes. What's that? 52 recipes, all high protein. But then you get a weekly meal planner in there as well, which tells you all the calories of each meal that it's asking you to eat that day. Your total calories at the bottom here. And then you get a weekly shopping list for that meal plan. And it does that twice. It's amazing. And then if we just take a random meal, wherever this settles, let's go smoked salmon, feta, and asparagus omelette. You get obviously all your ingredients, a how-to, a little pro tip, which is always good on some of them. You get your nutrition per serving. You get a MyFitnessPal barcode, which is awesome, because that then means if you're tracking in MyFitnessPal your calories for the day, you just scan the recipe and in it goes for you. So let's head back to the central hub. What's this? We have a 30-day fitness challenge, which you can do at home, which is 10 minutes a day, every single day for 30 minutes. My face is about to appear, I think. There I am, looking very smiley. And then all you do is you scroll down and you go to whatever day you're on. Let's say you're doing day 4. And this is all to be done at home. This is all just body weight. You can add weights to it if you have them at home. There you go. And it's fully video supported as well. And I take you through each workout and all the exercise instruction you need for that. The fit stop. So today we're going to be doing bodyweight squats, reverse. That'll do. That's enough of me. And then all the workouts are written below, like so. So let's head back to the central hub. What else do we have? We have our motivation challenges in here. So each month we have a 30-day challenge in the Fitness Collective. And so far we've done a meditation one called the Daily Calm Challenge. And we've done the 1800 rep challenge, where you do 1800 reps in a month in 30 days. There's an exercise tutorial library. There's consistency calendars and other wall charts and wall plans. There's the Fitness Collective podcast, which I record and I upload into the Fitness Collective for you to be able to listen to. And we have daily meditations as well. If you like meditating, I think getting rid of stress and being able to control your mindset and things like that is a huge part of being able to lose weight and improve your fitness. So I'm releasing loads of meditations in here as well. The first couple of days of these are available on my YouTube, but the rest of it is all in the Fitness Collective for my members. Then this is one of the best bits, I think, of the Fitness Collective, is the amazing Facebook group that we have. It's full of all of my clients, including one-on-one clients and Fitness Collective members. And this is what it looks like. So as you can see, I mentioned the 30-day challenges. We have a Make Your Own Recipe Book 30-day challenge going on at the moment, where everyone's trying to provide themselves with 10 recipes that are fully calorie counted that they can do. You can see here that in the files, I upload everything that's in the Fitness Collective Hub as well, because some of my one-to-one clients don't have access to the Fitness Collective. What's this here by Izzy? She's doing her own 1800 rep challenge. That's good. Looking forward to that. What's this from Natalie? The last? I haven't seen this yet. Oh, wow. I was, of course, worried more so being disabled, but with Adam still offering stuff, it's been such a blessing. I've used time at home to really focus. That's amazing. Oh, I love this. Sorry, I hope you don't mind if I quickly just reply to Natalie, because it'd be rude not to. Natalie. Perfect. I've got to love it. There we go. Excellent. And as you can see, we have all kinds of other stuff going on. I upload my YouTube videos into here for clients as well. That's one of my meditations. And yeah, and it just keeps going on and on and on. This is also where I hold, if we go to videos, this is also where I hold treadmill talk each and every week, which is the Fitness Collective live Q&A. This is me looking a bit sleepy, but this is our live Q&A each week that you get, and I also do a Zoom call every single week with all of the clients, where I answer all of their questions.
Easily just not.
And we set up goals, and we set everyone up for the week in order to move themselves forward. So that is the Fitness Collective in a nutshell. I'm adding to this daily at the moment, and I will continue to add to it, so that everything you need is in here for you to make your fitness a massive success. I didn't even go into the workouts. Everything you need to be a success is in here, I promise you. And not only that, you get access to me as a trainer to ask questions, to set goals, and to do everything you would expect to need. I really hope to see you in the Fitness Collective at some point in the future. You can stay for as long as you want, or you can leave as quickly as you want. It's entirely up to you. But as long as you come, you educate yourself, you learn something new, and you move forward. That's all I could ever ask for. I think this is one of the greatest places. This is one of the easiest ways I can reach as many people as possible to help them burn body fat, to build muscle, but above all, build your confidence and get you achieving and putting ticks in the win columns as opposed to little stress symbols and other negative things that you might be experiencing right now. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being here. I'm eternally grateful just for you watching this. And I can't wait to see you at some point in the future. Peace, love, and protein. Bye-bye.